Good afternoon, traders. It is Friday, September 3rd, 2021, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Um, yeah, Friday did a Friday number on us, and we're having Freaky Friday in the middle of this terrible trading, which makes Freaky Friday even worse. Um, but anyway, you're looking at the Dow chart here. Um, Dow went down real hard at the beginning, tried to actually went positive, went negative again, went positive, then sold off toward the end, ended up down 75 points. So just more zigzagging around um, and pretty directionless lately. We had, um, I think, 11, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, yeah, 11 positions coming in, and we had $2,500 in negative on the close yesterday. We quadrupled that loss and closed out negative over 10,000 in closed out losing trades. And then we got into two new positions, one positive, one negative, and we have negative $2,400 going over the long weekend. So just all around crappy day, more of the same. Um, I talked to you yesterday about this headline in the New York Times that stocks have risen every month for the past uh, 6 or 7 months. And, I look at that and I say, what has happened in this country the last 6 months to warrant that? I mean, that's what you would expect in a roaring bull market. Do we have a roaring bull market? If you're trading, do you feel like it's a roaring bull market? Hey, I talk to all kinds of traders, not just traders that are trading this system, and they're all having terrible, terrible time. In fact, my own analysis of this is the people that are making money. I said yesterday, if somebody's making a lot of money, and I'm going to tell you the people who are making a lot of money are people who are trading on from the short side. And so how can that be? Well, in my opinion, how can it be? It's probably um, corruption and manipulated markets. That's my assessment. Okay, I hope I'm wrong, or if I'm right, I hope it straightens out. I do believe it will straighten it out eventually, and the bad guys are going to get burned in the end. But this is just really really tough. Um, and all I can say, if you're, what I've done with my managed accounts um, is to cut way back. If things are just going terrible, don't stop trading. If you stop trading, it's like getting, you know, getting off, getting thrown from the horse and never getting back on the horse again. It has the same effect when you're trading. If you stop trading, you won't go back to trading. So don't stop trading, but you can cut way back. And when I tell people, hey, play poker with nickels and dimes, then you're not getting hurt financially, but you're still playing the game every day and you're seeing how things work, and you're going to know when the worm turns. And so you can get in there with more money when the right time comes. And that's my advice um, to my customers and to anybody who is having a lot of frustration with these stocks lately. Okay, I'm I'm going to show you. This is one of those days I normally say, yeah, I don't have anything to show you. Let me show you two of the bad stuff that um, typifies what we're having, troubles we're having. This is SPCE, which is Virgin Galactic Holdings, and we bought this yesterday, second hour. It looked real good at first, you know. We had good profits there for the first 2 hours in that trade, and then, you know, the whack-a-moles, the short sellers come in and just killed this thing. So we ended up closing with a pretty large loss yesterday on the close, and then it got even worse this morning, and that clipped us for negative over $4,000 this morning. Bad all-around trade, but again, this is a short seller's dream, and that it's the short sellers. They're making money in this stock, and I think they're making it in a lot of other ones too. I'll show you another one. This is a trade we got into today, and this is BTBT, which is Bit Digital Incorporated, and we bought this the second hour. We have little profits there for maybe an hour or two, and then the short sellers come in and they just crash this thing down, and then you have some day traders covering their shorts at the end. But regardless, we are holding negative $3,700 in Bit Digital Incorporated, and this is just how it's going across the board. And I'm trying to decide, and I haven't made a decision yet. You know, should I do a new portfolio again? But this is just the same thing's going on everywhere, and it's going on. You know, people I talk to, it's going on with people that aren't even trading my system, or maybe even not even trading anything like this. They're all having trouble. And how can so many people, traders, be having trouble in stocks that have consistently risen in the last 6 months? I don't get it. I've never seen anything quite like this before, and honestly, I'm not sure what's going on. Anyway, all right, we got a Labor Day weekend. You guys all go out and have a good Labor Day weekend. I'm going to have a good Labor Day weekend, although I will be probably working on studying these markets. But I'll see you next Tuesday.